Hello, in this Explain That. This is a tutorial on how to prevent your kids downloading games from Playstore to enable parental controls. So let's get started. So first and foremost, open up your Playstore if you're doing on Android, and just head on, click on your profile icon on the top right. As you can see, we have here a lot of games, but we will try to restrict this as much as possible. So head on the settings or the cog icon, then click on the family. It will drag down you on different options, but click on the parental controls. They will ask to try creating a pin, so therefore you should try and do that and remember it as much as possible. So after that, you'll have an entirely different types of option here, but you will want to go for the lowest one or the enable up to 3 plus ages. This will remove as much games as they want according to their genres and their restrictions or RA types. Next, if you want to try and do like a family control one, you can either go with a family library. This will prompt you to have anything under control on the parental's device. But as you can see, after scrolling down or after restarting the app, you now have a entirely different types of options, restricted ones. Therefore, that's it, and that's how to prevent kids from downloading games from Play Store.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.